Hello everyone, I'm Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with LEXIS and Company. So today we're gonna discuss what legal action we can take if there are recurring defects in a newly bought car. So if you have purchased a new car and fed up of visiting the service center and still the defect is not resolved, then this video is surely gonna help. So in this video, we're gonna discuss a case of Tamil Nadu State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, which the commission directed the OD to refund the amount of 60 lakh 8,000 to the consumer due to reoccurring defects in the car. In this case, the complainant had prayed to commission to direct a car manufacturer OD to replace the defective vehicle and also to pay him sum of 30 lakhs as compensation for trauma and mental agony. The complainant purchased an Audi Q7 from the opposite parties in the name of his partnership firm. It was stated that the manufacturer of the car had claimed unique braking system along with other numerous safety features on their brochure. In November 2013, however, the car was serviced at opposite parties' workshop for brake pad warning blowing, and they claimed that they had changed the front and rear brake pads and discs. It was further stated that the next servicing was only due October 2014, but the brakes issue developed again much prior to the service due date. According to the complainant, due to a defect in brake mechanism, the car suffered a brake failure, which severely endangered the lives of the passengers, and it was with great difficulty that the driver could bring the car to halt. The complainant also referred to a news report which stated that Audi was recalling over 70,000 cars, which were also of the same model or braking system problems. They also brought forth a piece of automobile literature which talked about the longevity of brake pads, and distance covered by this car was lesser than the minimum average. The OD had denied the allegations. It was contended that the transaction between the parties was on commercial basis, as the partnership firm does not fall under the category of a consumer, and hence the consumer complaint cannot be maintained. But obviously, the company denied the allegation that the car was not in a roadworthy condition and stated that the late party did not show up to take the delivery of the car after several intimations. The company also made a contention that the vehicle was purchased almost 5 years prior to the alleged incident, which throws light on its roadworthiness, and stated that this complaint was filed with malified intention to get old vehicle replaced by a new one. Therefore, the bench held that according to the document presented by both the parties, it is apparent that there was in fact a brake failure, since there were several instances of the Q7 edition of the car being recalled due to failure of the brake mechanism. Opposite parties could have directly taken up the issues for a proper solutions. The bench stated that all the opposition parties collectively exhibited a clear conduct of service deficiency and negligence as even after the vehicle was brought in a flatbed truck after the incident. They still did not recall the vehicle. The manufacturer is to be held liable as the problem kept on reoccurring even after two replacement, and this can only be reflective of a manufacturing defect. The commission allowed the complainant and directed opposite party, that is OD, to refund 60 lakh 8,000 instead of replacement of the car, as it is said to be a defective. Therefore, if any one of you is also facing the same problem, you can also file a consumer dispute in the redressal respected to your locations. That's all for today. I hope you found it informative. Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with LEXIS and Company. So today we're gonna discuss what legal action we can take if there are recurring defects in a newly bought car.